Hello everyone, my name is Sanchit. Welcome to my channel Sanchit Gurukul. In this video, we will learn about network devices. Network devices are very important in computer networks. Without network devices, computer cannot communicate to each other. Today, we will understand what network devices are, why they are needed, and what types of network device exist. Let us start. First, let us understand a simple question. What are network devices? A computer network connects computer and other devices, but computers cannot connect directly by themselves. They need special devices in between. These special devices help data move, they help data reach to correct place. They also help protect the network. These devices are called network devices. Example of network devices are hub, repeater, switch, router, modem, firewall, and servers. Each device has a different job. Now let us understand why network devices are needed. Imagine an office with many computers. All computers need internet. All computers need SAF file. All computers need to use one printer. If there are no network devices, this is not possible. In image, you can see internet is connected with router. It connected through the wireless access point, switch, etc. If there are no network devices, this is not possible. Network devices make sharing easy. They reduce cost. They increase speed. They make communication fast. They also keep the network safe and secure. That is why network devices are very important for the communication. Network devices can be divided into different groups. We will learn them in category. First category is basic network devices, second category is security devices, third category is traffic management devices, fourth category is server. First we will talk about the hub. Hub is a basic network devices. It connects many computers. When hub receives data, it sends data to all computers. Hub does not know who needs the data. Because of this, hub is slow. Hub is a very old device. Next is switch. Switch is better than hub. Switch is a smart device. Switch sends data only to the correct computer. This makes the network fast. Switch is used in office and schools. Next is router. Router connects different networks. Router connects local network to internet. Router decides where data should go. Home Wi-Fi router is a router. Next is modem. Modem connects your network to ISP. ISP means Internet Service Provider. Without modem, internet will not work. Modem converts signals. Access point. Access point Wi-Fi. Access point provide wireless network. Mobile phones use Wi-Fi. Laptop use Wi-Fi. Access point remove the need of cables. Next, we will discuss about the network security devices. We'll start with firewall. Firewall protects the network. It blocks unwanted traffic. It allows safe traffic. Firewall works like a security guard. It acts as a network gateway. Next is web. Web application firewall. Web protects website. It protects web application. It blocks web attacks. Web works for HTTP and HTTPS type based traffic. Next is IPS IDS. IPS means intrusion prevention system. IDS means intrusion detection system. IDS detect attacks, IPS block attacks. They protect the network from hackers and real-time attacks. DDoS protection device. DDoS attack sends too much traffic. This can stop a server by overloading its resources. DDoS protection device blocks bad traffic. It keeps server running. Next is traffic management devices. Load balancer. Load balancers share files. Load balancers share traffic. It sends traffic to many servers. This keeps server healthy. Large websites use load balancers. Proxy. Proxy works between user and internet. It hides the user. It controls internet access. It improves security. Bandwidth and QoS. Bandwidth means network capacity. More bandwidth means more data. QoS means quality of service. QoS gives priority to important traffic. voice and video need high priority. So we can use the QoS to give priority to voice and video over other types of data. Next is servers. Server provides services. Different servers do different jobs. Web server hosts website, file server store files, mail server sends email, database server store data, application server run application. These are the different types of network devices. Apart from this, there are many network devices which also play a vital role in communication and securing the internet. Let us quickly recap. Network devices help computers communicate. They connect networks, they protect data, they manage traffic. Without network devices, network cannot work. This was a detailed introduction to network devices. In next video, we will learn about hub. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to Sanchit Gurukul. Thank you for watching. This is Sanchit. See you in the next video.